This is a Parvati temple on the top of the hill. It gives me a feeling of Mata Vaishno Devi ascent from Katra. Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to another video on our weekend trip. And today we have come to Kor Pahar, which is in Bankura and almost 210 kilometers away. There is an ashram. We are standing just outside. Go to the temple, which is situated right up the hill from here. We have just reached and we are very hungry. First, we will complete our lunch. This place is also called Tapovan. Tapovan because many ancient sages, saints, they have come here for meditation and they have got enlightenment. The ascent of the hill starts from inside the ashram premises. Now we are going toward the hill. Tojo, we have to climb 110 steps, okay? So we are going to the temple of Durga Ma. So this also seems like the Vaishno Mata temple. जोर से बोलो जय माता दी, सारे बोलो जय माता दी। This is a Parvati temple. We are going to on the top of the hill, which is almost 400 feet, and we have to cross 100 steps. It gives me a feeling of Mata Vaishno Devi ascent from Katra. After climbing 100 steps, we have reached the Parvati Mata temple. There is a very little devotees that has come today, though it is a Sunday. So this is a very offbeat place. I mean, if you like nature and if you like to be in a quiet place for a day, I think this place you should visit once. Now we are doing the parikrama. Right now we are in Ashtabhuja Parvati Mandir on Koro Pahar. This Koro Pahar is situated just 16 kilometers from Bankura town. This is very well connected. There is a small history behind this place. Once during his visit, Qazi Nazrul Islam, the famous poet, renamed this hill as Purobi Pahar in his poem Amor Kanon Moder Amor Kanon during his visit to Amor Kanon, which is another village situated very nearby, and this village is renowned for freedom activities, and this place is also visited by great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Rabindranath Tagore. Look at the view from the top of the hill. Awesome. Wonderful view around the temple from the top of the hill. You should at least come here once, any one weekend. The roads are very well connected. The road condition is very good. So we are done for the day. We are going back. We had a wonderful time. This is a perfect place, if you want to spend some time in solitude, you want to spend some time away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Absolutely pure air, no pollution, wonderful view from the hill. Highly recommended that you can come for one weekend. Need not to stay. You can come, you can drive up and you can drive down. If you want to stay, you can stay in Bankura also. You can stay near Gangajal Ghoti as well as near Amar Kanan. We will descend the 100 steps. Now we are going back. কাকা, এই গাছটি কত পুরনো? The uncle says that this tree is more than 100 years old.